Welcome to Orage Technologies. Today, we are diving into the world of ethical hacking. Have you ever wondered what ethical hackers are and how they differ from malicious hackers? Well, you are in the right place. Let's get started. What is an ethical hacker? So, what exactly is an ethical hacker? Also known as white hats, ethical hackers are security experts who perform security assessments to improve an organization's security. But here's the catch: they do it with prior approval from the organization or asset owner, making their mission quite different from that of malicious hackers. Key concepts of ethical hacking. Ethical hackers follow key protocol concepts to ensure their work is ethical and legal. Let's go over them. First, they always stay legal, obtaining proper approval for their security assessments. They also define the scope of their assessment to stay within approved boundaries. Reporting vulnerabilities and respecting data sensitivity are equally important. Ethical versus malicious hackers. But how are ethical hackers different from their malicious counterparts? Ethical hackers use their skills to secure and improve technology, reporting vulnerabilities to organizations. In contrast, malicious hackers aim for unauthorized access for financial gain or personal recognition, leaving vulnerabilities unreported. The focus is entirely different. Skills and certifications. Now, let's talk about the skills and certifications that an ethical hacker should possess. Ethical hackers need expertise in scripting, operating systems, networking, and information security. They often acquire certifications like Certified Ethical Hacking, OSCP, CompTIA, Security Plus, and others to prove their skills. Problems hacking identifies. What problems does ethical hacking identify during assessments? Ethical hackers mimic attackers, seeking attack vectors, and gathering information. They identify common vulnerabilities like injection attacks, security misconfigurations, and sensitive data exposure. Their goal is to provide a detailed report with steps to compromise and mitigate vulnerabilities. Limitations of ethical hacking. Like any field, ethical hacking has its limitations. Let's discuss some. Ethical hackers face limited scope. They can't go beyond predefined boundaries. Resource constraints, such as time, budget, and computing power, can also be challenging. Additionally, some organizations may request that specific test cases, like denial of service attacks, be avoided. And there you have it. Ethical hacking is a fascinating field that plays a crucial role in improving the security of organizations. It's essential for ensuring the safety of our digital world. If you found this information valuable, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.